Jordan, I think we just struck gold. Press down. I think we just struck gold. This is at Sycamore Hall, Indiana University. Ooh, wow. Wow, this is tiny. It's still original. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah.
And it was.
Look at that. Press that. It's so satisfying. It's an old Otis.
1,500 capacity. It's only expired by a few weeks.
Ooh. Look at it. The two of us can barely fit in here, and it's creepy dark in here.
Yeah. It moves really fast too.
Yeah, it's traction. You want to press ground? Dude, this is epic. These are very rare buttons. It only has a 1,500 pound capacity. That's tiny.
Yeah, it is really small.
Yeah, there's the certificate. It is expired. Wow, this is epic. This definitely deserves another ride.
We got on at 3, right?
No, I think we got on 1. Wow. This is awesome. Is there anything up here? Here, press that button. It's so satisfying. You can hear the relays. You can hear the relays up there. Well, Jordan, what do you think about this one?
It's small. It's not the nicest.
It's small as heck, but it's got the epic black button fixtures. Wow, for being on a college campus, this is super rare. Oh, and it's got a. I think we got on 1, didn't we? It's got a bumper. And instant door close too. I rate this 5 out of 5. This is epic. This thing definitely can't hold 10 people.
No.
Okay. That is awesome. Well, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.